Hello, kids. This is Adam here with one of my favorite games to play. I've been playing this game ever since I've been a little boy.
Oh, you play games?
Yep. I'm an old man now, but I still like to play games.
I'm ready for a game.
All right. This one, again, this is our friend Petri. He loves to join for any activity that we do.
I love activities.
Well, thank you. This one is the rhyme game. And so you name a word, and then your friend...
Can I be the friend?
Yes. And then you can name a word that rhymes with that. So we'll practice. Okay. So I would start with the word friend.
End.
Yes, friend, end. It rhymes. How about this? Train.
Pain.
Pain, train. It rhymes. How about this? Hat.
Fat.
Yes, that's another one. Fat, hat. How about this one? Cheek.
Beak.
It's right. You're doing a great job with this rhyming game. How about sing? I'm singing.
Well, I can show you my wing, 'cause I'm winging.
Okay, I guess you are. That works pretty well. How about this one? How about smile?
Smile and mile.
Ooh, yeah. You could probably fly lots of miles with those wings.
Oh, I could. I can go really far, 'cause I'm a good flyer now.
Well, that is good, because now can rhyme with cow. Moo.
I'm not a cow.
No, I just rhymed now, cow.
Oh, okay. Do two more.
All right, this is a tricky one. Hippopotamus.
Oh, flippopotamus.
That was a trick question. I really don't know any words that rhyme with hippopotamus.
Oh, come on. Give a good one right here.
All right, I'm seeing something outside right now, and it's a bug.
How about tug
I can tug.
or hug
Okay, I can give you a hug.
or slug?
Oh, interesting. Okay, we better come up with a different word. Anyway, that is the rhyme game. What did you think of it?
I like it.
Well, all right, tell the kids about it.
Kids, you can rhyme with your family anytime you want to.
That's right, you can pick words and rhyme. You can do it all the time.
You just did it.
I know. I'm in it to win it. All right, you guys are done for the day. Thank you for hearing about the rhyme game.